Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to connect with people on LinkedIn in 2026. Building the right network can help you find jobs, grow your career, and create valuable professional relationships. First, sign in to your LinkedIn account. Use the search bar at the top to find a person by their name, company, job title, or industry. You can also discover people through your existing connections, company pages, or LinkedIn recommendations. When you find the right person, open their profile. If they're accepting connections, you'll see the Connect button. Click it, then choose Add a Note if the option is available. Writing a short, personalized message is always a good idea. Briefly introduce yourself and explain why you'd like to connect. This increases the chance that your request will be accepted. After reviewing your message, click Send. The other person will receive your connection request. Once they accept it, you'll become first-degree connections and can message each other directly through LinkedIn. Remember, don't send random connection requests to everyone. Focus on connecting with colleagues, classmates, recruiters, clients, and professionals in your industry. Also, keep your LinkedIn profile complete and professional before sending requests, because people often review your profile before accepting. That's how you connect with people on LinkedIn in 2026. Growing a quality network takes time, but it's one of the best ways to expand your career opportunities. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell for more LinkedIn guides. Thanks for watching.